Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, so we continue our explanation about the formula calculation, and now we're going to discuss about percent composition of compound. Yeah. Okay, so we are going to learn about percent, yeah, composition of compound. Yeah. Okay, so this is analogy. Yeah. So as you read this paragraph, for example, if a group of 30 persons includes females, so the percent of females in the group is like this. Yeah. So example. Yeah. So this example is used to make our explanation become simpler. So example, there are 6 females. Yeah. Of 30 persons. Yeah. So in this 30 persons, yeah, there are 6 females. Yeah. So the male must be 24. Yeah. Yes, because 24 plus 6 will be 30. Yeah. Okay, so how many percent? Yeah, how many percent of female, yeah, in the group? Yeah, so sorry, in the group. Yeah, so the answer will be 6 divided by the total number of the person. Yeah, 6 divided by 30. Yeah, times by times 100%. Yeah, so the value will be 20. Yeah, okay, 20%. Yeah, 20%. Yeah, so 20% of the group consists of 6 females. Yeah, go 6 females. Yeah, and how about the how many percent? Yeah, of males now. Yeah, male in the group. Yeah, so the answer will be 24. Yeah, because we are talking about males. So it must be 24 times by 30 times 24 divided. Yeah, 24 divided by 30 times 100%. So it will be, this is divided by 6 divided by 4, 6, 5, and then this is 2. Okay, so the answer is 80%. Yeah, or you can say 100 minus 20. Yeah, so the number, so the value is 80%. Yeah, so 24 males. Yeah. Yeah, okay, so this is the concept of percent, yeah, of the compound. So we are using example of females and males. Yeah, female and male in a group 30%, 30 persons that consists of 6 females and 24 males. Okay. Now, what if this concept is used to it is used in the concept of compound? Yeah. Okay. So let's take a look in the explanation. Yeah. So let's say, yeah, there are a compound called XJ. Yeah, compound called XJ, and we have to calculate. Yeah, we have to calculate, yeah, percent composition composition, yeah, of xy. Yeah. So how we can do it? We have to uh, we have to first know about the atomic mass, yeah, the atomic mass of the xy, yeah. So let's say in this example, the element of X has atomic mass, yeah, 12, 12 AMU, yeah. Let's say, yeah, this is just an example. First AMU, and the XY, yeah, has formula mass, yeah, uh, formula mass 28, yeah, 28. Okay, so you don't have to be confused. How can I get 12 or 28? It's just an assumption, yeah, it's just an example. So there is X 12 and then XY is 28, yeah. So this is just an example, yeah. So example. Okay. Okay, so now the percentage, yeah, of X in XY, yeah, is 12, yeah, 12 divided by total, the total mass of the formula, which is 28, yeah, 28 times by 100%. Okay, so the number is 42.9%, yeah. Okay, now percentage of Y in XY is 28 28 minus 12, yeah, per 28, yeah, or it is 16, yeah. Okay, 16 divided by 28, yeah, times 100%, yeah. Okay, so no. Okay, wait a moment. Yeah, I will. Yeah, so like this. Yeah, so this will be uh, actually you can just 100 minus this number, yeah. So this will be 1%, and then this is 8, this is 5. Okay, so yeah, like this, yeah, because this number plus this number, it must be 100. Okay, so let's check. 9 plus 1 is 0, and then, oh no, it must be 7, yeah. Yeah, it must be 7, this is 5. Okay, yeah. Okay, so this is the percentage of Y, and then this is the percentage of X inside XY, yeah. Yeah, okay, so this is the concept, yeah. Okay, now we are going to learn more by using a specific or real example, yeah. Okay. Okay, now let's say we have this this compound. Okay, so this is let's say compound CaSO4, yeah, calcium, sulfur, and 4 oxygen, and we have to know each percentage, yeah, of every element in this compound, yeah. So we have to know percentage, yeah, of calcium, percentage of sulfur, and percentage of uh, oxygen, yeah, inside this compound. Okay. Okay, so we can assume, yeah, uh we can assume that, okay, no, not assumption, but actually, yeah, actually we can think, yeah, we can think that we have 1 mole of CaSO4 ya. Okay, and in 1 mole of CaSO4, we have 1 mole of Ca, 1 mole of S, and 1 mole of O4 ya. Okay. Okay, and I want you to remind the formula of finding mole which is mole equals to mass of the compound or mass of the element divided by the uh, atomic mass or if the uh, substance is in the form of compound, you can also using uh, mole mass of the compound by atomic compound atomic mass of compound. So this is for element and this is for compound Okay. Nah, okay, so when we are talking about percent composition, we have to change all the perspective into mass calculation Okay, so because we already know about the formula of finding mole which is mole equals to mass of the element or mass of the compound divided by the relative atomic mass this is for the element and this is for the compound so uh, we can change the formula into this form. So mass equals to mole times by IR, or mass equals to mole times by MR okay. So now we are going to find all the mass of these elements okay. So first one, we want to know about the mass of 1 mole of calcium okay. So it is M equals to mole and then mole of Ca and then the atomic mass of the calcium or Ca okay. So this is N is the mole and then the value of mole is 1 okay. So it is 1, and then how many the atomic mass of the calcium we can check in this um, periodic table okay. So wait a minute. Okay, so this is the calcium okay. So the atomic mass of the calcium is this number 40.078 okay. So but in this example we only use 0.8 okay. So we are going to follow this example for 40.40 okay. 40 okay. So this is times 40 point okay. So the mass of 1 mole calcium, or what the mass of 1 mole Ca is okay gram okay. This is for the first number, and then the second 1 mole of what? Okay, of ash, yeah, or sulfur, yeah. Okay, of sulfur. So this is the M mole of sulfur times by atomic mass of sulfur. So and then the mole is 1, yeah, which is this 1, and then the atomic mass of sulfur, yeah. Okay, this is 32.06. Let's take a look on this. Where is sulfur? Okay, so yeah, 32.06, yeah. Yeah, 32.06. Okay. Uh, 32.06. Okay, so it must be 3, okay, gram. Yeah. Okay, now the last one, 1 mole, yeah, of O4, yeah. O4, yeah. Okay, so it must be mass mole of 1 4 times the not AR, but we are using MR, yeah, because it is not just because this is not element, yeah, because we have 4 O, so it must be a compound, yeah. So we use the MR symbol here. Okay, so this is 1, yeah, this is 1, and then this is MR, yeah. The MR is 4, yeah, 4, yeah, times by the atomic mass of oxygen, yeah, which is 15.999, but we can use 16 here, yeah. Okay, 16, yeah. Okay, why this is 4? Because we have 4 oxygen, yeah, so we have to times the 16, yeah, which is the atomic mass of oxygen with 4, yeah, because we have 4 elements of oxygen, yeah. So it must be 32 times 2. Okay, okay, 64, yeah, gram. Yeah. Nah, okay, so yeah, and then we are going to also find, yeah, the mass of 1 mole of CaSO4, yeah, uh, the mole of all the compound, yeah. Okay, so this is M, and then this is N, CaSO4, yeah, times by Mr, yeah. This is 1, yeah, because we have 1, yeah. So because why this number is also on why this number is always 1, yeah, because this, okay, remember, yeah, in 1 mole of CaSO4 we have 1 mole of Ca, 1 mole of S, and also 1 mole of O4, yeah. So please don't be confused about this concept, yeah. Okay, so this 1 mole times by the Mr, yeah. Okay, so the Mr is must be AR of Ca plus AR of S plus Mr of O4, yeah. Okay, so 1 this times uh IR of Ca. Okay, IR of Ca. Okay, IR of Ca is 40.08 plus AR of sulfur 32.06 or 32.06, yeah, plus MR of O4, yeah. So this is the MR of O4. 4 times 16 is 64. Yeah, 64. Okay, so 1 times. Okay, so we have to find this number. Okay, wait a moment. Okay, the result is 136.14. Yeah, so the result is 136.14 gram. Yeah, because we are talking about mass, so uh the unit is gram. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so the total mass of CaSO4 is this number, and then the mass of O4 is this, the mass of sulfur is this, and then the mass of calcium is this. Okay, so now we are going to calculate, yeah, calculate the percentage of every element, yeah. Calculate the percentage of each elements, yeah, each element in CaSO4, yeah. Okay, first one percent. Okay, the first one is percentage of Ca, yeah. Percentage of wait a minute, I will use another. Okay, so this is, okay, the first one is percentage of calcium in CaSO4, yeah. Okay, the mass of Ca, yeah, divided by mass of CaSO4, yeah. Okay, so the mass of Ca is this, yeah. The mass of Ca is 40.08. Okay, 40.08 divided by a mass of CaSO4, yeah. So this is the mass of CaSO4, the total mass of the compound, yeah. Okay, so 136 point. Okay, then times by 100%, then you will get the number. Okay, the number is 29.44, 29.44 percent. Yeah. Okay, now the second one is percentage of CaS, yeah. Okay, S in CaSO4, yeah. Okay, so M of uh, S, yeah, divided by M of CaSO4. Okay, yeah. The mass of sulfur, yeah, the mass of sulfur is 32, yeah, sulfur 32.06. Okay, 32.06 divided by yeah. Okay, so this value is this, yeah, 23.55, 32, yeah, 23, yeah, 23 point. Okay, and then the last one, percentage of O4, yeah, percentage of O4, yeah, of O4, uh, O4 in CaSO4, yeah. So it must be mass of O4, yeah, mass of CaSO4. Okay, the mass of O4 is 64. 64 divided by total mass, yeah, of the compound times by 100%. Yeah, so the value is 47, yeah, 47.01. percent. Yeah. Okay. So this is the percentage, yeah, of all element inside the CaSO4. I hope this video can help you understand this concept. And if you have any question, you can just comment on the comment section here. Okay, you can just put your question on the comment below. Okay, thank you for your attention.